friends! Today we will explore another loose watercolor painting tutorial by creating this beautiful cherry blossoms in just 3 simple steps. Before we begin painting, remember to prepare 2 cups of water. One is for rinsing paint off our brush, the other is for the clean water we will use to activate the paint. Other supplies include watercolor paint, paper towel, brushes, paint palette, and of course, watercolor paper. For this cherry blossom, we will use brilliant red paint for most of the painting. Now take your smallest round brush, then I'll start to paint the pollen by applying the brilliant red in a thick consistency. After you're done, rinse the thick paint off your brush, come back in with a less pigmented, more watery mixture of the same red color and drag your brush to form a nice petal. For this part, I'd like to move the excess color toward the center of the flower, so it seems like the color is bursting from the inside part of the petals. Let's do it again. Some random dots in the middle, drag and come back in. First petal, second petal, and this time only 4 petals in total because one is hidden behind the other flower. We'll get close so you can really see. Inside some of the petals, I'm leaving some parts untouched, so it looks like there's a nice highlight. So this part looks like it's being hit by sunlight. Now I'm just going to fill in the right upper space with small flower buds to balance out the painting. To illustrate a random sakura bunch from a distance, you can do some more watery brush strokes with sheer pigment as well. This effect is great to get that loose watercolor look. To polish it up even further, I'd like to come back to the first batch of flowers once they're dry and add some delicate lines down the center of the flowers. Now that we've done 3 flowers in the middle, let's do another 3 or 4 to keep the main focus of our painting in the center. It's a good idea to keep them quite tightly spaced. You don't want too much room in between the blossoms. Place only a few of them to be outliers. Here I make another one, but on an angle. Personally, I think these flowers we made from a different angle look nice when combined with the whole cluster. Still, with the purpose of balancing out the proportions, I'm adding a single side angle sakura, starting with a thick brilliant red color for the bottom petals. Then we create 2 to 3 petals pointing to one direction. With my medium round brush, I just sort of connect all of the sakura flowers. Some tips for creating a stem: just make sure to apply rough brush strokes. Wiggle the brush a little bit or shake it so that the branch doesn't look so stiff or so straight. I'm gonna paint the background with a watery mixture of the ultramarine, just to make it interesting. I'm placing the intense ultramarine color near the center point and blending it out with more watery or lighter color mixture. Alright, our simple cherry blossom watercolor project is all done. I hope you enjoyed painting with us today. If you have any suggestions on what to paint in the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all and see you next time. Bye!